Hello everybody, how are you today? Okay, today we are going to learn about sentence connector but. Alright, sentence connector but. Alright, apa benda ni? Apa but ni? Alright, but is actually penghubung dua ayat. Penghubung dua ayat. Okay, we use but when we are going to combine. We are going to combine two sentences with a different. Okay, different with a difference, what we call macam berbeza, idea, difference idea, or different whatever yang berbeza. Okay, contoh dua ayat, let's say saya suka makan, tapi satu lagi awak buat saya tak suka makan. Okay, we use but. Kita guna but ni untuk gabungkan dua ayat yang berlainan message. Senang cerita lah, satu nak sampaikan yang positif, satu lagi negatif. Then we use but. Okay, kita tengok contoh. Alright, for example over here, Haris can sing. And another sentence is Haris can't dance. Okay, kalau awak tengok dekat sini, satu positif, satu negatif. Satu Haris can do, and another one is Haris cannot do. But these two sentences can be combined. Dua ayat ni boleh digabungkan using the sentence connector but. Okay, sentence connector but ni dia akan menyambungkan dua ayat yang bercanggah. Satu okey, satu tak okey. Satu boleh, satu tak boleh. Satu idea A, satu idea B yang tak boleh. Okay, okay, so the new sentence, okay, satu lagi sebelum tu. Over here I will teach you the usage of pronoun he and she. Bila kita nak replace, pronoun he and she ni, bila kita nak guna Okay, tengok dalam ayat ni, we got two Haris over here. So to make the sentence more smooth, untuk membuatkan ayat tu lebih cantik atau lebih orang kata lancar, kita jangan guna Haris. Kalau ada 10 Haris, then we don't write Haris all the time. Then we going to replace Haris with the pronouns he or she lah. Kalau Haris is a boy, then we going to change to he. If Haris is a girl, then change to she. Alright, let's take a look at this. Okay, we are going to use the sentence connector but. Haris can sing. That is positive. Then another one negative. So we use but. So we don't use this full stop anymore. Kita dah tak guna dah titik ni. Kita dah tak guna. Kita replace dengan but. Then Haris over here dah dua kali muncul. So we are going to replace Haris. Haris, we know that Haris is a boy. So kita replace Haris with he. But he can't dance. Ini dia. Inilah yang dimaksudkan dengan bila kita nak guna he, but or she. Okay, kita nak guna but lah. Yang the most important over here is but. Alright. Let us take a look for another one example. Okay, kita tengok satu lagi lah. Alright, another one. Let's say I like to run. I don't like to swim. Alright, so ini satu positif, ini satu negatif. Alright, so we are going to combine like this. I like to run, but I don't like to swim. Alright, so this is where we use how and where, when we are going to use but. Bila kita nak guna but ni, okay, bila kita nak menggabungkan dua ayat yang berbeza idea, berbeza maklumat, okay, yang satu positif, satu negatif. Alright, nak guna but ni mesti ada satu positif, satu lagi negatif. Okay, I think that is all for today. So don't forget to do your exercise on page 73, okay, and send it to our group. Thank you. Bye bye.